Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what you need to know before taking an exam using ProctorU. Whether it's your first time or you're looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. So let's get started. ProctorU is a flexible and convenient platform designed to help you achieve your academic and professional goals through live remote proctoring. It's like taking an exam in person, but you're in the comfort of your own space. Let me walk you through what to expect from start to finish. First things first, preparation is key. Before your exam day, make sure to have an approved photo ID ready. Set up a private, well-lit room where you won't be disturbed. Clear your workspace of any unpermitted resources like extra monitors or electronic devices. Accept your cell phone if needed. Remove sunglasses, earbuds, and any non-religious head coverings. Install the Guardian browser. This is essential for secure proctoring. Close all programs and restart your computer. And lastly, use the restroom before your exam. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now let's talk about the exam launch process. ProctorU typically takes about 8 to 10 minutes to get you ready. But don't worry, this time doesn't count against your exam. Your proctor will walk you through every step. If you need any special accommodations, make sure to inform your instructor ahead of time. Here's how it works. You might start from the ProctorU platform, your learning management system, or another test delivery platform. Follow the instructions provided by your exam administrator. You'll need to install the Guardian browser if you haven't already, and download the LogMeIn Rescue app to communicate with your proctor. Once you launch the exam, Guardian browser will start the pre-checks, and immediately, a pop-up will appear prompting you to download the LogMeIn Rescue Proctor chat. The proctor will then take control of your computer to launch a check for any unpermitted remote access software. This ensures a secure and fair testing environment. During the pre-checks, you'll be asked to agree to the ProctorU privacy policy. Allow access to your webcam, microphone, and screen, and then verify your identity. This usually involves taking a photo of yourself and your ID. You'll also need to do a self-guided room scan to ensure your environment is secure. Use your webcam to show your entire workspace, including the left wall, right wall, back wall, underneath your desk, and even a reflective view of your computer screen. Your proctor will review everything to make sure you're all set. Once the exam starts, your proctor may continue monitoring you, depending on the type of exam. For Live Plus exams, they're there the entire time. For Review Plus exams, they'll only be there at the beginning. Your webcam, screen, and audio will be recorded throughout. Remember to follow all the exam rules. Don't read questions aloud, don't leave your seat unless it's allowed, and don't let anyone else enter your testing space. If you run into any technical issues, there's always a support chat or a number you can call for help. After you've completed your exam, if you're taking a Live Plus exam, be sure to alert your proctor before submitting it. They'll guide you through a quick completion process. And once you're done, you'll have a chance to take a brief survey about your experience. Your feedback helps improve the process for everyone. So that's everything you need to know about taking an exam with ProctorU. I hope this video has helped you feel more prepared and confident. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Remember, we can still help you during the test using remote access software. If that interests you, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your exam.